Click on the link below to get price. The AprilAire E100W Wi-Fi Dehumidifier is a game-changer for anyone struggling with excess humidity in crawl spaces, basements, or whole home applications. With a capacity to remove up to 100 pints of moisture per day, this unit effectively tackles high humidity levels that can lead to mold growth and structural damage. Installation is straightforward. The unit is designed to be ducted, allowing for efficient moisture removal throughout the space. It comes with a robust setup guide, making it accessible even for those with minimal DIY experience. Once installed, the E100W operates quietly, a crucial factor when considering a dehumidifier for living spaces. One of the standout features of this model is its Wi-Fi capability, enabling remote monitoring and control via a smartphone app. This feature allows users to adjust settings, receive alerts, and monitor humidity levels from anywhere, providing peace of mind, especially for those who travel frequently or own vacation properties. The app interface is user-friendly and intuitive, making it easy to navigate. The build quality of the AprilAire E100W is impressive, featuring durable materials that promise longevity. It's designed to withstand the conditions of damp environments, minimizing maintenance needs over time. The energy efficiency of this unit is also commendable, as it operates effectively without significantly increasing energy bills. Performance-wise, the E100W excels in reducing humidity levels quickly and efficiently. Users will notice a marked improvement in air quality, with a reduction in musty odors and a more comfortable environment overall. The auto restart feature is a bonus, ensuring that the unit resumes operation after power outages, which is particularly useful in storm-prone areas. Overall, the AprilAire E100W Wi-Fi Dehumidifier is a reliable and efficient solution for managing humidity in challenging areas of the home. Its blend of advanced technology, ease of use, and solid performance makes it an excellent investment for any homeowner concerned about moisture issues.